So the newly appointed head coach of the Reggae Boys and former Reggae Boy himself, Paul Hall, has spoken about the way he intends to do things differently and ultimately to try and perform the miracle of rescuing the Qatar 2022 World Cup campaign. And at least Hall is articulating a more attacking philosophy with more ball possession and higher pressing and counter-pressing, which is more than we've heard from Topper for 5 years. My only question is, with this multifaceted change of philosophy, especially with keeping more possession, how many new players will Paul Hall need to play the football much more differently from how Whitmore teams used to play? I mean, to play the pressing game, he will need younger, fitter, faster players. And to play the possession game, he will need more technically skillful players, especially in midfield. Where is he going to get these players? Can Paul Hall make these fundamental changes in a few weeks and after only one friendly game? We have to pray for Paul Hall. We have to pray for Paul Hall.